Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, happy Friday. Looking at natural gas, daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So a pretty big dump the past 4 days on increasing bearish volume with a bearish MACD cross to go with it. But if you are a longer term bull, you're looking at this pattern of higher lows and higher highs, and we could pull all the way back to 270. And if we form support there and then headed back to the upside, we would still be forming higher lows. Obviously, no one wants to hold through all that red, but just giving perspective of what the uptrend has been over the past 6 weeks. So the last time we had a bearish MACD cross was on the last major consolidation, and look at the turnaround we had in the weeks following it. So just keep all that in mind, looking at previous history, not the end of the world on this trend. Certainly a setback. The bulls have been unable to close above $3 on the weekly time frame 3 times in the past 3 months. And you can see all these rejections from the $3 resistance level. We did close above it by 2 pennies back in May 2015, but it's very clearly a resistance level that the bulls are struggling with. If we get above $3, it is a technically significant bullish development, and I think we could see 10% more to the upside fairly easily due to lack of resistance between 3 up to the 200-week moving average resistance. So let's look at the hourly chart where we had a very clear bearish signal, and I was pointing out that higher low pattern, and the main levels to be watching were 2933, 2944, and then we had the inventory report back and forth, continued bearish, and then right when we broke 2944, there's your break of the higher low pattern. Clearly we're hitting lower highs, and then we had lower lows once 2944 broke. So from there we had a little bit of upside action and then a dump. So that was the bearish indication, and the bears are still in control. The RSI bouncing from oversold on the hourly, but now heading back down. So support I'm looking at is 2894, and let's look at the 4-hour chart to get the next support level. Condense the chart a bit, and I'm looking down at 2891, and then down to 2867. So those are the levels to look at. You can see clearly once that started changing, we had a clear higher low, higher high, nice uptrend. Then we hit our lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low. That was the signal, followed by further downside. The 4-hour chart is also right around the oversold level, bouncing, but not confirming any of these bullish candlesticks. And we need to see the bulls show back up and turn this chart around, specifically on the hourly. And what they're going to have to do is break this big candlestick, the high of it, up at 2977, getting over that level would break the lower high, lower low pattern we're now seeing on the hourly time frame. So the bears are in control. We've seen a pretty severe dump over the past 4 days, and we'll be watching on the daily time frame for a bullish reversal candlestick to form. Also keeping an eye on this support down here, 2834. That's a ways away, but we had a little consolidation there, established a base before heading to higher highs. So all kinds of previous price history support to be watching over the past 6 weeks, and keeping an eye on volume. And we'll check back in as always. Have a great weekend. Thanks for the likes and the shares. Much appreciated. Have a great forever.